tell people I'm a recovering control freak. And so what I realize now, looking back, is this was God's way of humbling me and saying, this isn't about you. This is about me. And what kind of relationship are we going to have? I even remember at one point I told a Christian counselor, I want to do everything I can to get my marriage back and restore the relationship with my kids. And very wisely, he said, yeah, I can't help you with that. And I was furious because this was probably a month and a half, 2 months after everything came out. Very different, probably the same conversation. He said, if you're sick and tired of living in direct opposition to what God has called you to, then we have some work to do. And so that was kind of my first wake-up call of, oh, this really isn't about what I want. It's what God wants for me. And if I step into that and really embrace that, it will be so much better. It will be so much better for my life.